Hello, here is an ABM workflow I designed. So this workflow demonstrates how I would design a signal-based qualification engine for a B2B SaaS company. So the aim is to set up a decision system that helps GTM teams spend their time on accounts most likely to convert and recommend next steps for them. So first things, let me first run this workflow. So for this workflow, this is the first node. This first node is scheduled to run daily. So what it does is it automatically runs every morning 8 a.m. to trigger this workflow. Now, in an actual production environment, after the daily signal node is run, this should be the node directly under this the So for this node, this is a Google Sheet, and this Google Sheet contains, leads that are being extracted daily. Now this can easily be replaced with like a CRM, your HubSpot export, or any data source at all. So how the workflow would be daily signal, scan, then the data source, and then ICP, and then it runs like that. But for the purpose of this sample, yeah, I'll be using embedded sample data to run this workflow. So after the daily signal, the ICP, just for this sample. Before processing accounts, the workflow defines the ID customer profile, and then it assigns scores to different buying signals. For example, hiring a GTM engineer is definitely a stronger buying signal, yeah, than simply having an active founder on LinkedIn. So the scoring model definitely reflects that difference. Then next is the enrichment and the scoring. So for this, each account is evaluated against those criteria that we already looked at. And then the workflow calculates an ABM score, which is over here, which is over here. It calculates an ABM score. Then it records the signals that were found. You can see these were the signals that were detected. Do they have a GTM engineer? Do they have a growth manager? Are they currently hiring a GTM engineer? What's hiring growth and all of that? You can see those signals over there. And then it's going to assign it an outreach angle. 1 second. So here, signals fired. And then it's going to assign it an outreach angle over here. For this tier, it says it's urgent, timing urgent. Here, gap finding, it just goes ahead and scores them that way, and then it puts them into various tiers. You can see this is the hot one, this warm, watch, and skip, and then it puts them into those groups. Next, it routes by the ABM tier. So here I did set up some rules on if it hits this criteria, then it should go to hot. If it hits this, then it should go to this according to how it has been scored. Yeah. Then hot accounts receives immediate attention. It generates an AI research prompt, and then straight over here it notifies Slack. Next, it's updates to HubSpot where it goes in there and then creates the company and all of that. Then later on, we can go ahead and enrich and find a contact at that company. But for now, recall this is just account based. Yeah. Then over here, you can see I said reverse engineer and draft. So what's in a normal production environment, what this would have done is it's going to reverse engineer that company using the outreach angle, find tips and opening topics for us, and then it's going to draft the email and send automatically. But I intentionally kept a human review step here before any outreach is created. So they won't get any outreach. There will be no drafts done. Instead, it goes directly to Slack over here. In 1 second, I'm going to show the message how it comes into Slack. And then for warm accounts are queued for additional research. Then for the watch accounts, these ones are monitored for future signals, until we get stronger buying signals. Yeah, until they appear. For the watch one, it's still under watch. Then for this one, we just skip totally. Yeah, we skip this one totally. So over here, you can see this was the let's come back here and run the workflow again. Okay. Just so we monitor for the Slack notification we get. So as you can see, this just came in right now, 12:13 a.m. So it gives you all the signals that it found, which is they are hiring for a GTM engineer. Because they don't have a GTM engineer, and then you can see all the signals that it found, then the outreach angle, and then next step what you need to do. And then for the warm channel, it also tells you the signals that was found and tells you to go ahead and do additional research for this company and then find a GTM gap, simply because the initial one we ran, we had scores, we had scores and we had criteria. So this one would need a human in the loop to do an extra, search, and a human to okay this and then say if it's okay, then move to the next step, or if we should keep this under watch. Yeah. Then we does the campaign summary. The workflow produces a campaign summary. What it does is just showing us the distribution of the accounts according to each tier, the average scoring, the most common buying signal, and all of that. You can see it here, top buying signal, and then the average score over here, and then the distribution according to all the tiers. For hot we got one, for warm we got one. Yeah, and that's it.